my travel diary part uno. So this week I'm in a condo in Taguig. I'm just here to just really rest because the past 2 weeks had been like so hectic and so busy. But yes, I'm like moisturizing. I'm like putting coconut oil all over my body because when I went to El Nido, I got so burnt and my skin was so dry. My back is still so dry because I can't reach it. I can't put coconut oil all over it. But my face was so burnt too. I was just like doing a lot of like not going out, not being under the sun so much anymore. So it looks so much better. Yeah, I think it does. Just a few more days and then, you know, I'm gonna meet up with my friend again and we're gonna travel again. So last week I went to, where did I go? Well, first I went to Laguna to meet up with my friends and we hung out.
No, dude. Last time I ran away.
See that? That's the head.
And not the tail.
And we hung out there for a day, and then I went to Tagaytay for a wedding. It was a beautiful wedding. It was raining, but it was still beautiful. Then we went to Baler. Baler was an 8-hour car ride. We were in a van. I don't know. I feel like the entire time we went to Baler, we were just in the van, honestly. But it was beautiful though.
Where are we going?
I learned to surf even though I sucked, but I still tried. Which is like my main thing that I'm doing for this trip is like trying new things, even though I'm probably not good at it, but you know, who cares? I'm trying to find myself, you know, I'm trying to find my freedom during this trip. So
Water line? Sunset. Probably from the fall.
Sige sir, bigyan lang po tayo mag-exchange. Para makapag-exchange po tayo. Salamat. Dito sir, 70 po yan mula dito sa kabyan. Isend ko na natin kung dito ng family. Group picture.
yeah. And then we went to, so Baler was only a day, and then we went another 8-hour drive to Manila, and we went straight to El Nido. It was an hour plane ride and a 6-hour drive to the island. I feel like that was just all of that really messed up my sleep. So going back to the US, I'm definitely gonna be so messed up with all my sleep. But oh my god, just thinking about it, it was like, oh, that was so hard. Like, I don't know how we did it, but it was also worth it. El Nido was so beautiful. It's right there because like the beaches are like 10-minute tricycle ride or an hour tricycle ride, but all those beaches are still awesome. I've been to El Nido before, and this time, and you know, like being with your friends was like a completely different experience. It was like probably one of the best part of our trip. Like I learned how to ride a scooter. Hi sis. And we went like the island hopping.
Oh, beer. Coca-Cola, coconut. Oh,
Anymore, but it's still like the experience you get there, the people you meet there. Oh my goodness, I remember we were just sitting at a restaurant and we were just eating, and our waitress, she just started talking to us. She just started asking us about our lives, and she told us like, which really like stood out to me, like it really stuck to me, because I was just like, wow, you're speaking life to me right now. And she said just 3 months ago, she quit her job in Manila and she was working as a pharmacist in a big, a big company. And like one of my friends recognized it, so she was like, oh, well, so I was like, oh, so why'd you quit? And she was like, well, she just felt like she wasn't at the right place, and she really wanted to move to El Nido, and she finally had the guts to do it. And she's working as a waitress, but it's the best decision that she has ever done. And I was just like, wow, I wish I have that, like, that's the kind of like push that I need, because like, I don't know, I went 25 and I just turned 25 and I'm an adult, but then I still feel like a child, I still like feel like I don't have any of the like I want to have responsibilities, but then like I don't want to have responsibilities. Like I always feel like, Angelica, why are you so selfish? Why do you only think about yourself? Like, but then at the same time, like, why can't I do that? I've always been like that kind of person who can never say no to anyone. I've always been that kind of person who always like feel bad. And honestly, like just lately, I really want to know myself more, because I feel like I don't know myself. Like, I feel like I've been living a life where I'm trying to please everyone, then I'm losing myself, and I just want to stay away from all of that. And it's not that like everyone is like I'm surrounded by toxic people, but it's just that like that's one thing that I can't help about myself. Like I can't help but want to like please you, or I can't help but want to like make you happy, or like I can't help but want to just let everyone, be comfortable. I'd rather have everyone be comfortable. I want to know more about me. I want to grow, and I want to be more mature. Like, yeah, my mind is learning new things. Like I have great, like, I'm not saying like I have great knowledge, but like I do know a lot. But like with experiences and life, like I can't even like tell the person I like that I like them, because that's just like, so I don't know, like I bottle up a lot of things, and I just want to be more confident, I guess that's what I'm trying to do, is to find my confidence during this trip. Which I hope and pray that, I know it's somewhere inside me. It's somewhere there. I just don't know how to like pull it out. But I know it's somewhere there. And I want to be like that girl, that waitress in El Nido. I want to be that person who like quits everything, like quit and just live in it. And I can't wait. I can't wait to go to Bali and Boracay. But till then, I'm still gonna, you know, rest my body. But yes, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.